Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mutton lollipop using an easy method. First, select about 1 kilogram of fresh mutton chops with the bone intact. These are perfect for lollipops. Next, prepare a simple marinade using ginger garlic paste, creamy yogurt, and a blend of aromatic spices. Allow the mutton to marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all the wonderful flavors. This initial step is crucial for tender and delicious results. Now, let's cook our marinated mutton to perfection. Place the mutton in a pressure cooker with just a small amount of water, perhaps 1/4 of a cup. Cook it for about 3 whistles on medium heat. This process makes the mutton incredibly tender, almost falling off the bone, which is ideal for lollipops. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess liquid, as we want the mutton to be relatively dry for the next step. For that irresistible crispy exterior, we'll prepare a simple coating. In a bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt to form a smooth, thick batter. This batter will adhere nicely to the mutton. In another shallow dish, spread out about 1 cup of fine breadcrumbs. These 2 layers will give our mutton lollipops their signature crunch. Finally, it's time to fry these delicious lollipops. Take each cooked mutton piece, dip it thoroughly into the prepared batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, roll it generously in the breadcrumbs until completely covered. Carefully deep fry these coated lollipops in hot oil over medium heat until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Serve them hot with a tangy mint chutney or a spicy chili sauce for an amazing snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.